Want to manage location access on Claude? In this video, I'll show you how to control Claude's location permissions in just a few simple steps. First, open the Claude app on your phone. Once the app opens, tap on the three lines in the top left corner. Now, tap on your profile name or profile icon near the bottom left to open settings. Scroll down until you find permissions, then tap on it. Here, select location. You'll now see different options like never, ask every time, or always allow. Choose the option that works best for you. If you want more privacy, select never. Or if you want Claude to access your location for personalized results, choose always allow. Your changes will save automatically. You can also manage location access from your phone's main settings under privacy and location services. And that's it. That's how you can manage location permissions on Claude. If this tutorial helped you out, leave a like. And don't forget to subscribe for more AI and tech tutorials.